Hello everyone, it's Paula here. I am here with another set of 6 Traveler's Notebooks. There is 3 sets of twins is what I call them. They're pretty much alike in the inside. I'll just show you all the covers and then I'll just flip through one of them, one of each set. Again, these were inspired by Pink Oddbird. I do not know what is wrong with my camera, why it keeps doing this. It's like giving me really weird like coloring. I don't know, maybe my granddaughter did something. I don't really know, but it like keeps turning orange and things. It's really strange. But this is this set. This one is already spoken for, and this one is available. And I have a, here it is. This is the name of the actual paper pack that I used, and I absolutely love it. And I just made a bookmark out of it and stuck it in one of the books. Let me see if I can get this lighting right. Oh my goodness. Anywho, hopefully I can get through this. But yeah, there is these two. And I put trim on the spines of these ones just to be different. And some little cotton tabbies on each one. And I put buttons on the front of each one that I love. And I sewed the little inside the buttons. And I will flip through this one, or I'll flip through the one that's actually available. How about that? Yeah. Okay. And it comes with over a yard of lace. And I did a lot of sewing in these. I love this one because look at the bee. Oh, so cute. And on the inside, I just sewed up some bias tape, and this was a photo off of the front of the paper pack, and I loved it, so I just made a journaling card out of it. And this is some little journaling card. She said, you know, you got to use all the paper pack. Well, I definitely did that, April. I used even the cover in this stack, which actually I didn't use. I think there was like 2 or 3 pages. I had them sitting in a different spot and I didn't get to use them, but oh well. And this is my thing, so I didn't get to actually do the challenge because I didn't find out about it until too late. But it was still super fun to try and do it anyways. So if you all like want to join and just do the challenge anyways for your own fun, it was super fun to do these. And I absolutely love this paper. I don't know why my silly phone is acting up. Again, I used up some journaling cards. The big one was too big for this book, so I just cut it down. And made a little tag out of this one. Some pages out of Ideals magazine. And up here, I sewed, you can still see through that, but I still sewed, it's actually beat dyed paper. It's just lightly pink onto the back of that one. This flips out. Some bias tape. I have a lot of that, so I'm gonna start using some of that. My friend gave me a whole like huge bin of it. It's crazy. Here is some washi tape to use inside this, and this card, this vintage card, came from Old Design Shop, and I just punched out a envelope, and you can glue it so that way it's actually an envelope, or you can leave it open, or whatever you want to do with it. I'm still trying to get rid of some of my washi, and I don't know how long that's going to take. Probably 10 years to get rid of that, because, I mean, I don't want to get rid of it, but I need to use it up, right? And this is out of that really old children's book. Is that paper gorgeous? Oh my goodness! And out of all the cutoffs, I made a lot of little journaling booklets, so I'm just stuffing them in all of my journals. And this is just some yellow paper that I coffee dyed. Made a little tuck spot there. And this is from the old design shop as well. Isn't that cute? That's on the cover of one of my journals that's already spoken for too. Oh my goodness, I love that one. And over here's a little pocket, which I made a tag and a pocket and a tag. These little tickets or tags came out of the actual paper stack. Oh, let's see. Okay. This I just made a big old journaling card out of. It was a cut-off piece. This paper, each one of them have a kit paper too, because I love this color and it kind of went with this paper pack. And I don't know, I can't remember who this is from. I think it's Femra's Vintage Garden. I will try to look it up. And if I find it, I will put it in the description box. This is one of the papers, and I thought it was so pretty. And I just left it because I love the back too. But it's not, I mean, this you probably couldn't journal on. You can on this side. But I figured I would leave it up to whoever gets this journal to either back it with coffee dyed paper or do whatever you want to do with it. Here is another little booklet made from that school paper. And this is from Tracy's shop, this little seed packet. I super love these. I didn't put anything in them, but I love it. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. Really put some seeds in there. If I had a garden, I probably would. Flips out. And here is some more of these journaling cards that I'm trying to use up. Another one of these little tinies. And this one came in the paper stack. And it's got lined on the back too. Come here. And a little booklet over here. Some extra journaling. I don't know how many pages. I don't know, 6, 7, 5 or 6. I don't know. But I do have this little booklet right here, which I found at a garage sale, and it's super cute. And it's a spelling tablet. I think it came, this lady used to be a teacher. It was one of these. It's super cool. Oh my goodness, this lighting is ridiculous. I don't know what is going on. This is a glassine envelope, and it has got a lot of goodies in here, just out of my little bin that can be put in this book. I mean, lots of little tiny stuff, super cute stuff. Oh my goodness, so I just pretty much loaded. There's even some rub-ons in each one of these. But I just try to give a whole bunch of little cute things to decorate the book more, or you can use them wherever you would like to use them. But I have a whole big old pink thing over here just completely packed with them. And this is a Tim Holtz. I didn't glue it down, but it can be glued down. 2 big tags here. This is part of the kit. This one isn't. It was just a tag I had here. This is part of the paper pack. And so is this, and I just put coffee dyed paper on the back. And this is also. And in each one I put a very vintage postcard in the back or somewhere within the book. And then there are these. Yeah, that is that little beauty. I will just wrap this kind of sort of around it just for now until I can get it over there. Okay, then there are these two. hope the lighting helps us. And I will just pick one. This one says, grow through what you go through. I super love that saying. Oh my, I love it. This one says, happiness blooms from within. I don't know if you can see it. Come on, lighting. Quit turning me orange. I don't get it. But I will flip through one of these. And then this one also has the tabbies. And look at that pretty paper. Oh my goodness, if my lighting would stay correct, you would see how gorgeous these are. I super love it. This is the one that has the bookmark I made out of the name of the book. And then a big old Hermelinda tag. And I will go a little faster this time. So I want to get through this. It's super, super smoky here. My car, I have a black car, and my car has got ashes all over it. It is, oh, I couldn't even imagine living closer to whatever is going on, but it does not look like this out. It feels like this, but it doesn't look like this. When people post those pictures of what it really looks like outside, yeah, it's a true story. It feels like you're breathing through like cotton balls all day long, and at night, it's horrible. It's horrible. And here is the card from Old Design Shop for this one, and they each have an envelope, not glued down in case you don't want it glued. Bias tape and the old story. I love that. Love it. So pretty. This is, each one has a card with a pocket, a journaling card. And all the lace in here is from my local store. Each one has a tablet of papers. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. And here is this one. Happiness blooms within. That's what that one says. And a tablet. Little Tim Holtz flower. Oopsie, get on there. And here is the stuffed little envelope with all the goodies for this one. I won't take them all out, but there is lots in there. I have beet dyed paper and coffee dyed paper. And this is from Tracy's shop. Love Junk Journals. And her seed packets. Is that not gorgeous? Oh my goodness. And over here are these ones. Another little booklet. I left strings on all of them. I love these violas. They're so pretty. Oh, love it. Right over here. Another card. Another little ticket tag, I mean. And here is another journaling card. And that says, today has come to be great. And back here, this is the vintage card for this one. Oh man, I wish y'all could see better. Super old, off of eBay. And then these two. That is that set. And I will get the other set here. And there is these two. See, this is showing yellow, and I don't know why it's showing so yellow. But they're a little bit brighter than my camera is showing you right now. So sad. This one is spoken for. This one is not. Actually, there's 3 of them are spoken for, and I think I just passed the one it's already spoken for, but I will post in my video and on my Bloom and Sticks page which ones are not spoken for. I am going to go through this one. That way they can be surprised for the ones that are not spoken for, other than one of you ladies will know, but you don't know which one is yours, because she told me to pick, so I got to pick. This was from the front of the paper pad, and I thought it was so cute, so yep, made a pet tag. And then there is this journaling tag. And I'm really sorry about this video situation. I'm going to have to get another different kind of lighting apparently, because it's not working the way I wanted. My son got me 2 brand new those little lights that you can move around, and they're super cute and I love them. That's what I told him I wanted, and for some reason, I mean, it's super bright to work with them, but for doing videos, apparently it's not wanting to do what I want. This was gifted to me by my friend Donna. I love that. And a little pocket here, seed packet. And a glassine bag with yumminess in it. A flower. And look at this card. Oh my goodness. I love this card. It's so pretty. It matches this book, so I put it in here. I love this paper too. And a pocket over here. Oh, that's so cute. So cute. A little tablet and a little journaling card. And over here is this little tag with these 2. I love that. So pretty. So, so pretty. This is just a little booklet. So my next video, I will bring back my old light, so maybe I'll just set it over here just for video purposes until I can figure out what's going on with my camera phone thingy-majingy. Old Design Shop. And here is a, see, that is showing so yellow on the camera, but it's not that yellow, it really isn't. It's yellow, but it ain't that yellow. Isn't that cool? Oh my goodness. Super love it. I love these stories in these books too. And here is a booklet. Ticket, tag, and back here we have these 2. I love these. And that is my pile of yumminess, which I love, love, love. So, yeah, 3 of them are available, and yeah, I will post just pictures of the ones that are available in my Bloom and Sticks creations, and you can choose from one of those. If you are interested, please like my video and leave me a comment if you have any questions. I'm trying to get better at going back to the comments because it's so hard for me to do that, but I'm trying my best. So, have a great day, and thank you so much for sticking by and watching my videos. Bye-bye.